Hi, today I will show you how to use MyMathlab like a pro. Let's start. The first thing is know the deadline. When you log into your MyMathlab, you will see the course home and you will see like the calendar look like that. I usually will use view by month. So in that case, you have like ahead of time to prepare. So for example, you have 20 more assignments to be done on due on 21st. Then you have one on 24th. Then you have 21 more on 26th. So you know that is a lot of assignment due on the same day. You should prepare it ahead of time. Don't wait until the last minute. That will prevent you to finish it with a higher score. The second thing is you always see the welcome to MyMathlab and check your browser. So browser check, click on that. You will see that what is the required for your browser to support the MyMathlab programs. So they will help you to see the image, the graph, any diagram, or kind of like some programs the browser not support, you could not see it. So making sure you check it before you do your homework. And how to enter the answer. This is another important thing because because you have to learn how to input the final answer in correct and required form in MyMathlab format. Right answer, yes, I said right answer, but in wrong format will prevent you to receive the credit because the program not understand that the right answer. They always understand with the format they already set. Okay, so learning answer format also help you gain solving skill on paper exam with higher level in mathematics. That will help you later. So when you click on how to enter answer, you will see this page and it have like a video to watch. Or if you don't want to watch the video, you can just looking at the transcript. That's your choice. Okay, so the next thing is the informations when you begin your assignment. This is the name of the assignment, the due date, the current score. We have the current score because you can, working on a few questions on Monday, then you come back and working on a few questions on Tuesday. So this is the progress. Like you will see kind of the green check mark on the questions you get right. On the question you get right, and then you will see like an X on the question you get wrong, or you will see something like the check mark and then slack, and then you will see kind of like a red X like that. It means partial credit, or you still need to improve that questions. Okay, and then also the last one is the attempt. So right here is unlimited per questions, but for some assignment is about 20, 10, 3, 2. It belong to your professor given. So making sure you know that because you can use it, you can kind of like have the strategy to have a high score with it. For example, if it's unlimited, you can retry it until you get it right. Okay, if it's less than, kind of like 3, you have to be careful every single answer, like input answer, making sure check the right way to enter your answer in the final, like to find the final answer, and to input no typo, just input the right thing, copy the right thing in the answer box. Okay, so homework questions are like buses. There are always another opportunities if you miss them. Why we said that? Because sometimes you can ask the professor if you have some problem with not finish your homework on the due day because of some emergency problem. You can just ask, email to your professor and ask for attention's due day. Okay, that's good, right? That's good to know. So this is how your question look like, and every questions they will ask you specifically how to answer, how to input your answer. Okay, so they say use a comma to separate the answer if needed. And this is the answer box. And this is the unit you need to use. Have to be careful with those, okay? Then we have help me solve this. Yeah, they help you to solve this, but you cannot have the credit for these questions. And also they will give you some space, I mean some unknown to solve, um, as well as they guiding you step by step. Okay. Another options to help you solve the questions is view an example. So they give you some example. Is familiar with this one? It's kind of like the same questions, but just change the numbers. And they guide you step by step. The last option is the textbook. Okay, when you click on that, they show you the chapter that the topic related to this question is about, and then you can read through, find the formulas, understand the context in the questions, take the note as well. I recommend to you to view an example to have a look and understand it, because with this one you're looking at the example and then you come back to your questions, you solve it, you receive the credit for it. But for help me solve this, you don't receive any credit. You have to do another one. So another question. So it means with the same questions, I mean it's kind of like the same thing, but then for the first one, if they count at, you know, here is unlimited attempt, but if you only have 2 attempts, you already lose it if you help me solve this, right? So like I said, it's strategy. Here is when you click on help me solve this, they will show you here first step, do that, then next you do that, then you see all of the boxes right here. You have to calculate this. So you participate in this, but you don't receive any credit. You just kind of like have more, um, understand more about these questions. And as we see the e-test, so you have the e-text tab on the side. Click on that, you will access to your textbook. And the thing is really nice here is you can click on the link and then download the card or like the cheat sheet, and then you can print that out to use or just save it into your phone, and then have all of the formula and stuff related to basic math, algebra review cards and basic math review cards. They also have it in Spanish or English. Also, the graphing calculator reference, online calculator lessons. There are many tools here. Okay, check it out. So always practice makes perfect. The goals for this video is help you to understand the strategy to complete your assignment on time, one by one, understand the material and know how to apply them. So confident to solve all the problems, pass your course with peace. Arriving at one goal is the starting point to another. So finish one assignment at a time is the starting point to finish your course with a higher grade, with the grade you wish. Good luck to your course. Have a beautiful semester ahead. See you.